Hello and namaskar viewers. Welcome to another episode of your favorite show, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, where mindless.
Chatter matters.
I am Bade Miyan and I have with me one and only
Chote
Miyan.
Miyan.
And we are again with you to entertain you, of course, through this satire comedy. And of course, on the spot, we come up with the stories and then we bring it to you for your entertainment purpose only. Obviously, there is always something to learn from our stories, and we try to stay current stories and your comment suggestions. And your notes are much appreciated. Thank you so much for liking the show, Chote Miyan.
हाँ जी
Everyone says it's a good show.
आय
और मजाक करो कहते हैं
अरे चलो ठीक है अपन तो इसीलिए पैदा हुआ है
कहते हैं और मजाक करो और हंसाओ
और
हंसते रहो और हंसाओ
Yes.
ये जो लाइन है ना, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ हंसते रहो और बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ हंसाओ और हंसते रहो, ये पता है किसने बोली थी
किसने?
हमारे शो के लिए?
अमिताभ बच्चन
There you go. One and only Mr. Big B had given us this line when we had a chance to talk to them a few years ago. Bade miyan, chote miyan, haste raho, hasate raho. So talk about Big B, and of course, Big B is related to this movie which we call India's epic movie. Hindi cinema jagat की एक ऐसी film जिसने पूरा era change कर दिया था. And it remains unforgettable now, even after 50 years. And I think it will remain unforgettable even another after 50 years. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the special episode of Sholay.
शोले
From the title music till the end, Sholay was the most captivating movie. Throughout the movie, it had everything. And ladies and gentlemen, for your information, Sholay completes 50 years. It was released on August 15, 1975, and August 15, 2025. It completes 50 years.
The interesting thing about शोले बड़ी मियां I have realized ये फिल्म को you can watch it completely without any sound and it'll still work, or you sit in your car and turn on the audio and listen to the entire movie and it makes sense.
Absolutely. Speaking of that, the second part, let's just talk about when the movie was released on August 15, 1975.
It was a
Right.
flop, by the way.
Well, for a couple of days. For a couple of days.
Word
it
of
was-
mouth,
Word of mouth really helped because, listen, it was 75. Dharmendra was the top star at the time, right? So was Sanjeev Kumar. Amjad Khan was new. Nobody knew Amjad Khan that much.
Here's a fun tidbit.
हाँ.
अमिताभ बच्चन को इस रोल में काम करने के लिए धर्मेंद्र की परमिशन लेनी पड़ी थी.
नहीं, धर्मेंद्र ने रेकमेंड किया था रमेश सिप्पी साहब को, बिकॉज रमेश सिप्पी साहब ने ओरिजिनली सोचा था शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को लेंगे. सो शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा वाज ऑलमोस्ट फाइनलाइज्ड फॉर द रोल ऑफ जय, लेकिन अमिताभ के पास, मतलब ही वाजंट रियली दैट बिजी बिकॉज जंजीर रिलीज हो गई थी. ही यूज्ड टू स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम विद धर्मेंद्र, एंड धर्मेंद्र लाइक्ड पैशन इन हिम एंड ही रियली एडमायर्ड हिज वॉइस.
They didn't take शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा only for one reason. गब्बर के हाथ नहीं थे, इनके हाथ बहुत चलते.
All right. So, entire casting जो है ना, छोटे मियाँ, to start with, it was done like एक नहीं तो दूसरा नहीं तो तीसरा, because what director Ramesh Sippy had envisioned, it completely turned out to be different, because just like I said that, for Jai's role, it was originally Shatrughan Sinha, but Amitabh के हाथ में आ गया. For Gabbar, you know who was the first choice?
सुनील दत्त.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Danny Danzopa.
नहीं, फर्स्ट was सुनील दत्त. सुनील दत्त ने बोला मैंने बहुत डाकू को रोल किए हैं, I don't want to do it. Then it went to Danny. Danny refused it.
Why refused it, Danny?
That I don't know.
Danny refused it because Danny had signed up for Dharmatma, and he was in Afghanistan shooting for Dharmatma, and he really couldn't take out the dates for Sholay.
Then it went to Imtiaz Ali Khan,
Amjad Ali Khan's older brother.
older brother. And then he said कि मेरा छोटा भाई है, he's trying to get into the movies, तो आप इसको try करके देखो. अमजद को पहले रिफ्यूज किया था because they didn't think कि उसके वॉइस में इतनी ताकत है. और अब अरे ओ सांबा.
Well, getting back to that, first of all, I never heard Sunil Datta name for the role of Gabbar. Viewers, if you ever figure it out, if you ever read somewhere or if you know about it, then share it with us. So Danny Danzopa couldn't make it because he really wanted to be part of the film, right? And then Amjad and Imtiaz, According to Javed Akhtar of Salim Javed, who wrote the script, both of them, right? Javed Akhtar used to see a lot of plays in Delhi.
Right.
He had seen one of the plays called, I Mere Watan Ke Logo, जिसमें Imtiaz and Amjad Khan had acted very well, and ever since then, Javed Akhtar liked Amjad Khan.
Ooh.
So then Dharmendra wanted to do a Gabbar Ka role. Listen to this.
Nice.
Dharmendra wanted to do Gabbar Ka role. So Ramesh Sippy said that, listen, if you want to do Gabbar Ka role, then I will give Viru's role to Sanjeev Kumar and he's going to romance Hema Malini. He said, no, that's not going to happen. He backed out immediately. He said, no, then I'll take Viru's role. Sanjeev Kumar's Thakur Balwant Singh role came to him. Dilip Kumar wanted to be Thakur. Right? It didn't work out. So Sanjeev Kumar came in. Sanjeev Kumar was shooting for Andhi movie at the time. So Gulzar goes, why are you doing this kind of role where you have nothing? Sanjeev Kumar said that it gives me so much pleasure that I'm around these stars and it's a different shades of character where Thakur's role has no arms and everything else. So it's a very challenging role. So he was shooting for Adi on one side, and then he started shooting for Sholay. Basanti Hema Malini was final.
Okay.
There was no doubt about it because she was going to do it because Ramesh Sippy's one of the films called Sitar Gita. And Hema Malini was there, and they always like Hema Malini. Sachin. All right, Sachin was there because Ramesh Sippy said that Ahmed ka role, before we started shooting, they were talking about Ahmed and everything. Itna sannata kyun hai bhai? There you go. So Sachin's role was finalized because Ramesh Sippy liked him and he had acted in the movie called Brahmachari as a kid. So liked him. Sachin did not ask for any money. He did not get paid for this film. But Ramesh Sippy gave him a gift back then in 75. You know what was the gift? Air condition.
Whoa. Damn.
Then come to Surma Bhopali. Surma Bhopali Jagdeep didn't want to do this role. They went to Pran. And Javed Akhtar said, let's talk to, some Javed said to Ramesh Sippy, let's talk to Pran Saab. Perhaps he want to do it. So Ramesh Sippy said, hold on guys. Pran Saab is a Punjabi guy. I don't think he will be able to speak typical Bhopali, Surma Bhopali. Then they said, okay, Jagdeep. Jagdeep didn't want to do a role because Jagdeep said he hadn't gotten paid from Brahmachari. And then he thought that he wouldn't get paid for this Surma Bhopali role also. But they had to assure him that your past balance will be cleared, past due will be cleared, and you will get paid for this. And that's how Surma Bhopali came in. And that's how finally the casting was done.
No, it's not finally yet. एक बड़ा
please,
character
go
भूल
ahead.
गया.
Yes.
अंग्रेज के जमाने की
Asrani Saab. Asrani was final. Asrani was the Angrez ke zamane ke jailer hai. He did a phenomenal job in that one. So then the final casting was done and they decided to film this movie in Rampur.
And with all of these actors, do you know what the budget in 1975
For this movie?
for this movie was?
I think 2-3 crores, something, 5 crores.
3 crores,
3
right?
crores, yeah.
30 million rupees. 1975. अगर उसको 2025 में लेके आए तो मुझे लगता है 90 million हो जाएगा.
Absolutely. But the movie, made a tremendous amount of business. So finally, the movie was released. R.D. Burman's music. You know the song Mehbooba, Mehbooba, which is sung by R.D. Burman? Originally, Kishore Kumar was going to sing that song.
Okay.
But he couldn't make it to the studio on that day.
Right.
R.D. Burman composed the music. So उसने सोचा चलो मैं ट्राई कर लेता हूँ, रिकॉर्ड कर लेता हूँ, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. किशोर दा बिजी हो गए थे कहीं पे, तो आर डी बर्मन ने वो गाना रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. रमेश सिप्पी को वो गाना पसंद आया, कहता है यही है मेरा गाना. हमारे यहाँ कुछ पिक्चराइज ऑन जला लागा, राइट? तो यही रखना है.
बट मेरे को ये सवाल पूछना था.
जी.
Did any one of them ask for your permission to do anything?
Back then I was just a little kid, so they didn't ask me anything. But they asked me later on after that.
आप तो अमिताभ के साथ साथ हो ना यार.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ फिर
बिल्कुल.
Amitabh was what, 30 something at that time?
He would have been 33.
Yeah, so you would be then 43, right?
43. Not even 13, my friend. A little baby. But you know what? Sholay was the first film that normally, as a kid, you watch the film and it doesn't leave you any impact. Okay, I was not even a teenager. Okay, you saw the film, this and that, fine. But Sholay, I still remember, Sholay was the film that in the end, I had tears in my eyes when I saw Amitabh's character, Jai, really, dying. Mom and dad telling me that's when you had tears in your eyes.
Wow.
I'm like, I couldn't believe that. So at that age, Amitabh had created that impact on me. And
Another thing that I just remembered,
hmm,
after Shole's success of 20 some weeks, balcony का price ticket का 3 रुपए से बढ़ा के 5 रुपए कर दिया।
oh, speaking of that, Amitabh Bachchan just shared on a social media Shole's ticket back then, 1975. 20 rupees की balcony थी. He shared the ticket on
In
social
Gujarat,
media.
it was 5 rupees.
In Gujarat, and Gujarat was vibrant. We're talking Mumbai,
I
and
know.
we're talking Minerva, I think. The Minerva में थी. Hold on, let me get नहीं Maratha Mandir. Maratha Minerva में दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, which is still running, but at back for many years, Sholay
5 years consecutive.
yeah, Sholay had the record of running at Maratha Mandir, right? So Maratha Mandir की ticket Amitabh Bachchan ने share करी है 20 rupees बाकन.
Wow.
Acha. Now coming back to that ticket thing, Sholay first day, so. Second day, so. Third day, Sunday, because Friday ko release hoti hai. They're getting all the reports that people are not liking it because people can't really connect with Gabbar ke role, Amjad Khan ko, Amitabh dying in the end, this and that. They were not sure about that, right? And then they get together at Amitabh's house, thinking that let's go and change the ending. Let's go to Bangalore and change the ending next week. So they were planning Sunday afternoon.
Sanjeev Kumar killing
संजीव
Gabbar.
कुमार हाँ नहीं वो अलग एंडिंग बात कर रहा हूँ अमिताभ को जिंदा रखने की
Oh.
तो वो उसके लिए प्लानिंग हो रही थी बिकॉज दे डिडंट वांट
लेकिन एक चीज है बॉस,
हाँ
जिस फिल्म में अमिताभ का कैरेक्टर मरा है,
हाँ
वो सब फिल्म में सक्सेस हो।
एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज मैं अकेला तो टीयर्स वाला नहीं था बहुत सारे लोग थे जिसके आंख में आंसू आ जाते थे so then the next day they were planning to go to Bangalore and shoot another end and then a word of mouth picked up because क्या हुआ छोटे मियाँ and to everybody else when you come out of the movie right when you come out of the movie theater आपका दिमाग थोड़ा बहुत चलता रहता है अब ये जो डायलॉग्स थे कालिया तेरा क्या होगा
नहीं ऐसा नहीं था,
तो
तेरा क्या होगा,
तेरा होगा कालिया चलो ठीक
तेरा होगा
है
कालिया।
कालिया तेरा क्या होगा कालिया I'm saying that those were the dialogues where people started to thinking about it and then if I went to see the film I would say छोटे मियाँ यार ये मूवी देखे जाना इसमें जो ये लाइन है इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई तो ये डायलॉग था राइट कैसा फर्क पड़ा रहा है साला
Okay, what is your best favorite dialogue from Sholay?
You really?
Yes.
You want to know that?
Yes.
अगर किसी ने हिलने की कोशिश की तो बोल के रखूंगा
अरे क्या बात।
गब्बर सिंह अपने साथियों को कह दो बंदूकें फेंक दे Come on! That's it. That's my favorite dialogue.
My favorite.
वो एंट्री जो आती है ना right because you're not expecting that
True.
right after Hema Malini's the dance performance right and here Dharmendra maybe like a few seconds away from Samba to shoot him right and that's when he comes अगर किसी ने हिलने की कोशिश की तो बोल के रख दूंगा that was the best part of it.
My favorite and which I still use a lot of times.
Hmm.
एक गलती की ठाकुर साहब तिजोरी खोल के दिखा दी।
Okay, Nikati. Actually, there were really some good moments. I really liked the very speechless, silent attraction between Amitabh's character and Jaya Bhaduri's character.
Best scene
Uh,
of that.
uh,
होली का गाना चल रहा है,
yeah.
अमिताभ just about to start
Dancing.
to dance.
Yeah, and then
और
he's
जया बहादुरी को देख के बंद हो जाता है।
Yes,
क्या
yes.
सीन है।
Yes, absolutely.
Very
He's just about to get into his typical dance moves, right? And then he sees her, then he stops immediately.
Brilliant.
But and then Amitabh playing mouth organ at night, while Jaya Bahadur is listening and this and that. So there were good things. Coming back to this one, Sanjeev Kumar as a Thakur Baldev and Amjad Khan as a Gabbar. Finally, 1975. Also, Chota Miyan, if you remember, viewers will remember, it was in a year of emergency because back then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had imposed emergency, and that was in June also. It was in June 25, 1975. I think I remember right now for sure. Movie was released August 15, 75. Censor board would not approve the ending of Thakur Baldev Singh killing Gabbar. They didn't want that. They said, no, you would have to change that. Because of emergency thing, whatever that thing was, censor board had the reason which they didn't say it. So they had to come up with the another end where Gabbar was taken away by the police and Thakur didn't get a chance to kill him. But I don't know whether you saw it or not. I have seen that ending online.
Yeah.
Yes, where Sanjay Kumar kills Gabbar. I mean, Amjad Khan's character. So that is interesting. But they had to change because of 1975's emergency and government's interference in the movie, and they had to change.
Yeah, the movie Andhi you mentioned was done because of that.
Correct,
right?
correct. And that was also, that's a good point. Very, very good presence of mind. Andhi, I mean, Sanjeev Kumar and Suchitra Sen, movie director by Gulzar Saab, music by R.D. Burman, of course, had that, Indira Gandhi's kind of, character situation in that film.
I've heard the phrase Andhi Indira Gandhi.
Andhi Indira Gandhi. And then Sholay, when it really picked up, first year, second year, third year, the काला बाजार वाले जो होते हैं तो उसको क्या कहते हैं आप टिकट को जो काला बाजार करते हैं
बस वही
नहीं कोई और वर्ड होगा
नहीं
टिकट गाउचिंग और समथिंग
ठीक है ना
ठीक है
उस जमाने में उसको काला बाजार ही बोलते थे
काला बाजार they made so much money
yes
that they actually they went out and bought taxis and they had hired the drivers to run their taxis and they would be doing kala bazaar at the Maratha Mandir and the other theaters. They made so much money because Sholay की tickets kala bazaar में भी इतनी जा रही थी
100 रुपए में जाती थी.
Yeah, can you believe that? Because उन दिनों क्या था अगर आपने शोले नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा.
That is true. And I was very upset with Didi Tera Devar. What was that movie?
हम आपके कौन?
हम आपके हैं कौन? When I found out that हम आपके हैं कौन broke Shole's record, उस दिन से मेरे को वो फिल्म अच्छी नहीं लगी. Well, actually, there is nothing that can break Sholay.
नहीं, but Sholay का actually वो record break नहीं किया. Sholay जो 5 year की consistency है and the amount of money that it made back then, अगर उसको convert करने जाओ, I think that record is still unbreakable. एक movie ने जो record तोड़ा है वो है दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे because मिनरवा में अभी भी matinee show में
वो तो शाहरुख खान पैसा देता है इसलिए.
चेते भैया ने बोल दिया, मैंने नहीं बोला. तो ये क्या हो सकता है माधुरी दीक्षित पैसे दिए होंगे थिएटर को हम आपके कौन दीदी तेरा देवर चलाते रहो but दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. I think it will become one of the perhaps the longest Hindi film.
With all the prices adjusted, inflation and all, do you know which is still the number one movie in the world?
The number one movie in the world. You're talking about current days or
any movie from the world?
From the world.
From the world.
Oh.
जिसने सबसे ज्यादा पैसा कमाया है आज तक, inflation included, population included, and everything considered.
Casablanca?
The Sound of Music.
The Sound of Music. Okay, that would have been my second, third choice.
And in India, it is Sholay.
It's a Sholay. So there you go. The Sound of Music and the Sound of Music was a epic movie. Sholay की जितनी भी बातें की जाए ना, छोटे मियाँ हमारे ये छोटे से शो में, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ शो में तो बहुत कम होगी. But before you go, छोटे मियाँ, I really want viewers to tell us more about Sholay. So when we do the next show and when we have really good response from you, good comments from you, and some facts which we are not aware of it or we couldn't really mention that to you in this episode, let us know.
नहीं वो तो सब चलता रहेगा. मुझे ये बात बताओ कि ये सच है कि नहीं.
क्या?
Somebody told me कि धर्मेंद्र जब टंकी पे चढ़े थे, he kept asking the technical people to make mistakes. So he could hold Hema Malini's hand longer.
No, टंकी पे तो हेमा मालिनी का हाथ नहीं था. उसने क्या किया था जब शूटिंग शुरू हुई ना, धर्मेंद्र had crush on Hema Malini, right? So जब शूटिंग शुरू हुई ना, धर्मेंद्र would take a lot of retakes in his scenes, right? जब भी वो हेमा मालिनी के साथ होता. So पहले तो किसी को पता नहीं चला. बाद में रमेश सिप्पी साहब को पता चला. रमेश सिप्पी ने उसको कोने में बुलाया कि देख ऐसा मत कर because नहीं शूटिंग के बाद में ऐसा मत करो, नेक्स्ट टाइम से ही बंद करो. धर्म जी कहते हैं ओके ठीक है कोई बात नहीं मैं नहीं करूंगा. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया कि केम अप विद द थॉट, उन्होंने कहा स्पॉट बॉयज, लाइटिंग बॉयज एंड एवरीथिंग उसको पैसे देने शुरू किए. वो कहते थे कि जब भी सीन शुरू होना बोला कट ये लाइट ठीक नहीं है, कट ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, तो ही वुड गेट मोर टाइम टू रोमांस विद हेमा मालिनी. रमेश सिप्पी साहब को वो बात भी पता चल गई. कहते हैं कि भाई जल्दी फिल्म फिनिश कर देते उसके बाद तुझे जो करना है. So that was one thing. But टंकी का सीन, the history behind टंकी का सीन is,
मुझे ये बताओ टंकी में पानी जाता था कैसे? मैं तो 1975 में रामगढ़ में टंकी में पानी जाता था कैसे?
टंकी भगवान एक ही जगह से जाता है, जमीन से ऊपर जाता था, बिल्कुल वहीं पे जाके स्टोर होता था। लेकिन टंकी के सीन में क्या हुआ था, ये जावेद अख्तर साहब ने कहा है अपने किसी पॉडकास्ट में, कहते थे कि उनको बोला गया कि ये सीन आपको लिखना है।
हाँ,
तो जावेद अख्तर कहते हैं कि ठीक है, मैं कल लिख दूंगा। अब नेक्स्ट डे उनकी फ्लाइट थी, चाहे बैंगलोर से मुंबई हो या आई थिंक बैंगलोर से मुंबई की फ्लाइट थी, तो कहते मैं आपको कल लिख के दे दूंगा। तो ऐसे करके उन्होंने टाल दिया। रमेश सिप्पी साहब ने कहा कि कल उसकी हम शूटिंग करने वाले हैं, आपको सीन लिखना पड़ेगा। कहते ठीक है, मैं लिख के दे दूंगा। अब सुबह वो देर से उठे और फिर जल्दी जल्दी भागा दौड़ी में उनको निकलना था। तो गाड़ी ऑन द वे टू द एयरपोर्ट कार में बैठ के उन्होंने सीन लिखना शुरू किया, छोटे के सीन लिखना शुरू किया। एंड देन उसके बाद फिर देन एयरपोर्ट आ गया, बाहर निकले, कार के हुड पे कागज रख के पेन से वो सीन लिख रहे। अंदर से आवाज आ रही है कि वी आर बोर्डिंग सो एंड सो फ्लाइट, इफ यू हैव अ बोर्डिंग पास कम नाउ, वी आर अबाउट टू टेक ऑफ, ब्ला ब्ला। छोटे एयरपोर्ट उन दिनों पे तो ऐसी बात थी। तो उनका असिस्टेंट आके कहता है कि साहब अभी फ्लाइट आपकी निकलने वाली, जल्दी से करो। जल्दी जल्दी उन्होंने वो लिख दिया सीन, कागज दे दिया उनके असिस्टेंट को, कहते जैसे ही वापस जाओ तो ये पीस आपको दे रहा। एंड दैट्स हाउ द सीन वाज शॉट।
certain things just when all the stars align, things work out.
बिल्कुल। when it comes to comedy, I think there are several movies जिसमें comic scenes बहुत अच्छे हैं, और some of the stars they have done a phenomenal job. चाहे वो गोविंदा हो, चाहे वो परेश रावल जी हो, या कोई भी हो, right? जॉनी लीवर हो, and अपने जगदीश साहब हो, कोई भी हो। But शोले का जो comedy scene, मेरे इतने समझाने पर भी आपने मना दिया। बेचारा वीरू क्या करेगा। ये जो था ना, इतना मस्त था। मौसी कहती है जुआरी सही, ये सही, वो सही, फिर भी तुम्हारे खानदान का पता, जैसे ही खानदान का पता चलेगा आपको बता देगा। I think that was fabulously done, this one. With this script, शोले की script, Salim Javed first went to Manmohan Desai.
Really?
हाँ, Manmohan Desai. But Manmohan Desai was, if I remember at that time, he was shooting with Chacha Bhatija.
Okay.
And Dharmendra was in that film also, right? So he said, no, he really can take this movie. So I think in the end, as we are winding down our show, Chote Miyan and everybody, डेस्टिनी जो होती है ना, वो डेस्टिनी आपको कहीं ना कहीं पे कोई संकेत देती है, कुछ साइंस मिलता है, एंड इवेंचुअली यू एंड अप एट द फीट ऑफ डेस्टिनी। एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड विद शोले, बिकॉज इतनी सारी परेशानियों के बाद वहीं पे जाके शूटिंग करी रामगढ़ में, गांव में, इतनी सारी डिफिकल्टीज एंड एवरीथिंग। Finally, the movie and the casting change हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया। अमिताभ बच्चन, I would say, was unknown, maybe lesser known. Amjad Khan, totally unknown, right? Sanjay Kumar playing the role of Thakur Baldev Singh. ये सब जो हुआ ना, डेस्टिनी के फीट पे जस्ट आप चले गए ना, डेस्टिनी ने ले लिया। And then movie became epic that even after 50 years, we can't stop talking about Sholay. Isn't that amazing?
That is amazing.
और ये जो डायलॉग्स है यार, चलो कालिया तेरा क्या होगा, कालिया जो भी है, इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है? एंड देन अगर किसी ने हिलने की कोशिश की तो भूल के रखूंगा। एक तिजोरी, ठाकुर साहब तिजोरी दिखा दिया।
मैं बहुत यूज करता हूँ, बहुत यूज करता हूँ, मजा आता है। ठाकुर साहब तिजोरी खोल के दिखा।
And how can we not forget Hema Malini in the role of Basanti? No सवार हो जा। टांगा गाड़ी में पहली बार बैठते हैं ना, टांगा में, तो पूछते, वीरू पूछता है बसंती को तुम्हारा नाम। अमिताभ कहता है कि हाँ तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? बसंती। क्योंकि वो कहती है कि आपने मेरा नाम नहीं पूछा, तो कहते हैं तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? बसंती।
पहली बार सुना ये नाम।
And from the very beginning, I think Radi Burman did a phenomenal job. The background music and overall the music, चाहे वो ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती फ्रेंडशिप के लिए एक वो मेमोरेबल गाना इतने सालों से और कितने सालों तक रहेगा। जहां पे भी फ्रेंडशिप की बात आती है, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, वो तो होता ही है। देन ऑब्वियसली आनंद बख्शी साहब ने गाने लिखे थे। महबूबा 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 was the first Bollywood song which was remixed by very well-known
But
DJs.
the best line from any of the songs in Sholay was, कोई हसीना जब रूठ जाती है, स्टेशन से गाड़ी जब छूट जाती है। क्या लिखा है?
आनंद बख्शी साहब लिखा है। So hats off to Anand Bakshi साहब, R.D. Burman and everything, and of course Amjad Khan. I wish he were alive today to say more things about Sholay. But here's a fact. Final. Okay, we're getting ready to sign off. जावेद अख्तर साहब ने अमजद खान को रेकमेंड किया, रमेश सिप्पी ने कहा ठीक है, and then they had their own doubts about his speech delivery and everything, but Amjad Khan did a phenomenal job. The outfit that you see in Sholay, Amjad Khan picked it up from the Chor Bazaar.
Oh.
And Ramesh Sippy ने कहा कि ठीक है तुम यही पहन के रखना. Towards the filming of this Sholay, Amjad Khan and Salim Javed had some kind of disagreement, and they just didn't agree certain things. Fine. The movie was released. Sholay के बाद Amjad Khan ने कभी भी Salim Javed की लिखी हुई स्क्रिप्ट मूवी साइन नहीं करी. Interesting. With that note, we come to an end of this Sholay special. Bade Miyan, Chote Miyan.
And before we end, we have to thank Navya Entertainment.
Navya Entertainment, before or after, we have to thank Navya Entertainment for sponsoring the show. Check out Navya Entertainment for all your party needs, because they are the best when it comes to music and all the music related services. Navya Entertainment has been doing it for years, and then they have the best crew, and they can make your any party memorable. So reach out to them. You will see the information on the screen.
I'm going to end the show today.
Okay.
कितने आदमी थे?
सरदार दो,
बड़े मियाँ और छोटे मियाँ.
बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ. और नहीं, अरे वो सांबा, ये दोनों क्या है, क्यों आए थे, क्या करने आए थे?
माइंडलेस चैटर करने.
नहीं, शोले का 50 साल सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. Anyway, we are बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, brought to you by Poor Man Productions. So we thank the producer, Poor Man Productions. शोले का भी Poor Man ही था, but we became richer men. So देखते हैं हमारे बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ का कैसे हो जाता है. All right. With that note, we come to the end of this episode. Do reach out to us. You will see all the information below, and give us your comments and suggestions as you always do. I am Bade Miyan.
I am Chote Miyan.
Where mindless chatter matters. Wishing you all happy days ahead until we meet again, same place, same time. So long, and do take care of yourself.
Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah,
Subhanallah.
Bade Miyan, Chote Miyan.
Subhanallah.